Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia if it's your first time here. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing another foundation review. Today's foundation is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Undetectable Longwear Foundation. It's said to be an undetectable liquid foundation that blurs and covers imperfections for up to 24 hours, powered by a micro skin system that syncs with the skin for a true to skin finish. Medium coverage and a natural finish foundation. You know that's just up my alley. This is the bottle. Super cute. Has a little brown nude top. And then, of course, we have a pump. The shade that I picked up is 3Y52 Warm Chestnut. And that is described as for tan skin tones with yellow undertone. Yeah, so I didn't prime my skin and I didn't color correct my blemishes. So I'm just super excited to see what I can get with this foundation. So let's get into it. I put 2 pumps on the back of my hand and that's what it looks like. Not runny, not too thick. And the shade looks pretty good. So I'm going to start with this side of my face and I'm going to use the brush. And the shade match looks really good so far. Guys, do you see this? This is absolutely gorgeous. I know that I've tried a few foundations this year already and I like them all, but honestly, this is just second skin. Like, look at this. This is gorgeous. And the shade match right now, this is perfect. This is like, I'm freaking out. Let me finish the next side. But right now, wow. Wow. So now we're going to apply the foundation on this side with my Miss A sponge. Just in case you like to apply your foundations with sponges, we'll kind of just get an idea of what kind of coverage we get. And sometimes, honestly, some foundations just work better with a sponge as opposed to a brush or vice versa. My sponge is damp. But I cannot believe like this. I mean, I've watched reviews on this foundation already, but I just was like, maybe their skin is just gorgeous. But this might be the one, like, honestly. And I love, you guys know I loved my Nars. But dang, this is something different. This is literally just skin. Like, so of course I got a little lighter coverage here, but still really good. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. It blended just the same, just as nicely, so you can definitely use a sponge or a brush, whichever one you prefer. But I am impressed. This foundation is gorgeous right now, so I can't wait to just finish my face, get it all together. So I'm gonna go off camera now, finish my face, come back, and then we could talk some more about it. But y'all, this one right here, I don't know. This one's it. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, beauties, so I am back with the finished look. So you guys know that I am a complexion junkie. So I just love all things foundation, concealer, like those are right up my alley. But this foundation, I don't know. I don't feel like I'm so excited, but this one has me super excited. Like, I feel like if you're on the hunt for a good everyday natural finish foundation, you need to check this one out because It's gorgeous. Yeah, so my first impressions is this foundation is just beautiful. Like honestly, the color match, it is definitely second skin as it claims to be. So if that's what you're into, oh my gosh, you are gonna love this. I definitely see that buildable medium coverage. You guys seen it covered these blemishes. I don't know, this one has me super excited. And the funny thing about that is when I was in beauty school, we used Makeup Forever foundation and I hated it. I said I would never, like, I just hated it. I don't know what it was, if I had the wrong shade on or what, I just hated it. It did nothing for me. Formula right here, I just love it. I really do. As I was saying earlier, if you're looking for like a natural finish everyday foundation, you definitely might want to check this one out because it is really gorgeous. They did their thing with it. It's lightweight, super lightweight. You guys seen when it went on. Like, I don't even have to say anything because you guys seen how it went on my skin, how it literally looked like skin. So I'm definitely excited about this. I don't know if you guys have picked it up. Let me know down below how you're liking it. If you like it, if you're planning on picking it up. Of course, I'm going to leave the links in the description box and everything else is on my face. So you can definitely go and check that out. So my first impression is that I'm definitely in love with this foundation. And of course, I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes and how long it wears. But yeah, give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Of course, as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.